If you would like to verify your YouTube account, then stay tuned, watch this video all the way to the end as I show you how. Hi there, David Walsh here once again from davidwalshonline.com, your place to grow your business using YouTube. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can verify your YouTube account. But before I do, if this is your first time watching one of my videos, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell to be notified every time we upload videos every Tuesday to help you grow your business. And if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Great to see you again. Verifying your YouTube channel has many advantages. It gives you custom thumbnails, you have longer videos, and many other features as well. It's a very simple process, so I'm going to head on over to the trusty computer to show you how to do it so you can get your YouTube account verified. So here we are on YouTube, and to get into the area to verify our account, we go up to the top, click on your icon up here, go into YouTube Studio Beta. Once in here, go down to the bottom left and click on Creator Studio Classic. Now you can skip this or you can pop in a reason for any of these, just skip it for now. And then we want to go to the left hand side where it says Channel. So up here you will see your little blue button here to verify. We can see that live streaming isn't available, longer videos isn't available, custom thumbnails, and a number of other ones there as well. So all we need to do is click on the blue verify button. Then you select your country, so in this case it's going to be UK. And then you can select either they call me with an automated voice message or send me a text. So I'm going to just pop in a text here. Then I'm going to pop in my number, then click on submit. So in a couple of seconds I will get a message and it gives me a 6-digit code which I just put in. And then click on submit. Then it says congratulations, your YouTube account is now verified. Click on continue. And when we go back here, we see a lot of these have been now enabled. So we've got custom thumbnails, we've got longer videos, we've got content ID appeals. So we have a lot more features when we have our account verified. So there you go, that's how quick and easy it was to verify your YouTube account. And as you can see, having custom thumbnails, longer videos and all the other features are an advantage to your YouTube channel. Now, if you have just verified your YouTube channel or are about to do so, I would love to know what your YouTube channel is about. Let me know in the old comments area below. I love to see what you're up to and how I can help. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to share it with somebody who you believe it could also help as well. Want to thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. If you're not already a subscriber, make sure to click the subscribe button here and also the notification bell to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Also watch one of the other videos here to help you grow your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye for now.